Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain and analyze Scandinavian openings rap, chess risks to win past in Scandinavian rap. I am going to explain and analyze both chapter one by one. This is part 1 video of Scandinavian opening raps. Okay, now we can go now the game. Let's start with e4 opening king's pawn game. Okay, white moving king's pawn game, e4, d5. This is called Scandinavian defense. Another move. E cross d5. Now cut the pawn and again the queen cut the white pawn. Okay. Another move is knight c3. Attack the queen right now. Then queen go to a5. Scandinavian defense main line. This move is called. Another move. Knight f3. Then let's say white develops the pieces normally. Now the white pieces develop easily. Another move, bishop go to g4. Now pin the knight. Another move, d4. White going to move d4 pawn. Then knight f6. Next move, bishop g5 and we will pin. Okay, you can see right now how to win the bishop. Winning a bishop this game, chapter 1. Okay, how to win the bishop. Why black? Okay, knight b d7. Then bishop b5. Okay, here is the pin, another pin. Then c6. Okay, you can see right now this is the famous rap in Scandinavian defense. White take a. Why can white going to lose this game? Because queens capture the white bishop in some moves. Okay. Another move. Bishop c4. Go back. This is a blunder. And another move. Another move is bishop cross f3 and queen cross f3. Then queen cross g5. And black have upper piece. Okay. Black have so many pieces, but white has little bit pieces. That's why this game is, I think, going to win black. Okay, that's it. Now we can go now another chapter 2 in Scandinavian opening. Okay, that's it. Now I am going to explain and analyze chapter 2. Part 1, Scandinavian opening rap, Queen's Sacrifice. Incredible Queen's Sacrifice and beautiful checkmate. Okay, first move, e4. King's pawn came. Another move, d5. This called Scandinavian defense. Okay, another move, e cross d5, queen cross d5, knight c3. Scandinavian defense misses quadrock variation. Another move, queen go to a8, d8. Then another move, d4, knight c6, knight f3. Okay, now defend the pawn, white knight. Okay, another move, bishop g4. Now pin the knight. Okay, then d5. Now attack the knight vy the pawn. Okay. Next move is knight e5. It's a blunder because you can see what's happening. Knight cross e5. Okay, this is the very good game. Do you think the black is going to win? What black doesn't win because bishop cross d1. If take queen, the black is scored. Black is lost his game. You can see right now. Another move. Bishop b5 and we will check. Then c6. Black the check. Then d cross c6 cut the pawn. Then queen c7. Then another move. C cross b7 and check. Okay. Now go to only way. Queen go to d8. Two main move. Now one more checkmate right now with the knight. Knight cross f7 and we will checkmate. Okay, this is the one variation. Another variation, you can go back. If king go to d8, then b cross a8 and get the queen. White get the queen and check. Black the check with queen. Then knight cross f7 and check. Then king go to c7. Then totally win the game. Knight d5 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 2, part 1, Scandinavian opening reps, queen sacrifice. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is chapter 3, Scandinavian opening reps, win the bishop again. How to win the bishop again? We saw already chapter 1, win the bishop. This is a different kind of moves and win the bishop. First move, e4. King's pawn came, d5. Scandinavian defense. E cross d5. Queen cross d5 and queen f3. Queen a5. Knight c3. Okay, we can see right now what's happening going to v. Let's play with knight f6. Black knight go to f6 and d4 c6. Okay, another move. Bishop go to d2. Bishop g4. Now attack the queen. Okay, now queen go to g3. Go back. Go side. Okay. Another move. e6. Knight b5. A big blunder. Very, very big blunder this knight. That's why this game going to win black. You can see right now. Queen cross d2 and check. Okay, now cut the king cross d2. Queen is gone. Another move. Knight e4 and beautiful check. Now pop. Then king go to e3 and then queen is gone. Then h3, h cross g3. Okay, c cross b5. The knight is gone. Then bishop cross b5 and beautiful check. Okay, then knight c6. Now totally black have so many pieces. We have, okay, you can see right now, black have 6.2 advantage. White king is misplaced. White king is misplaced. White has double pawns and black won the bishop. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 3. We can go now chapter 4. Okay. Okay, this is chapter 4. Scandinavian opening wraps. Wrapped queen and queen or pawn. Wrapped queen or pawn. Okay, first move. e4, d5, e cross d5. Scandinavian defense. Queen cross d5, knight c3, queen a5, then knight f3, bishop g4 and h3. Now bishop cross f3 and cut the bishop with queen. Okay, then knight c6. This is huge blunder. That's why another move. Bishop b5. Pin the knight. Okay. Next move. Queen f6. b6. Black can go to b6 and another move. Knight d5. Now attack the queen. Then queen a5. Okay. Now you can see right now. b4. Now queen need to go. Queen is wrapped, so it must take the bishop and then queen cross b5. If queen cut the bishop and knight cross c7 and check, now poke and wrap the queen. That's it. This is chapter 4. You can see right now. Come to wrap the queen. Here is this knight and here is a check. So this time black won this game. That's it. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.